more than support your dreams, baby. Get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree. Go, girl. Focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diamond, and today I'm finna be doing a Loupes try on. I got my Loupes. I'm so excited to use these in clinic. It just give you a better vision and view. Like you can see stuff so up close. Don't mind my breakfast in the back. I'm finna get ready to study and do some homework while I got some downtime. And yeah, so I'm about to just get right into the video of trying my Loupes on. So I want to make sure y'all can see this. Let me stand it back some. Okay, so this is the box that come in. Say my name. You already know my full name. I don't care. Diamond Brown, that's me. So it come in this cute little case to carry your Loupes in. So let me open it up. When you open it up, it looks like this inside. Get into it, get into it. I got the pink. That's just like my inner color. And it's crazy because I'm not the girliest, but I love pink. I used to love purple, but now pink is where it's at. So I already tried them on last night. I just wanted to get my strap on so I could try them on for y'all. But yeah, so they come like this. And they got the magnifying lenses, and you clip your light onto it, which I got my light. And it also comes with a battery pack. So let me just go ahead and clip my light on. So you just slide this on here like that. Hold on, let me line it up. So you just slide it on like that. Take your little soft covering off. Throw them over your head like this. I didn't put the clamp to my my light because I want my teachers to do that. And I want them to put my side shields on. So, but yeah, you have your clamp that goes alongside like that. And then plug the, nope, that's the charger. Plug the battery up right here. Press the button. Let there be light. And you also have to make sure you do tighten it, because you see how they slipping? That's because I don't have it tightened. You gotta tighten it like that. Boom, now they secure. They got the, fix my light. Got the light on them. They just so cute. And I'm gonna have my cute side shields on. And then yeah, so like I got my friend here, Bob. So as I'm looking, sorry, I gotta be a certain view to see. Hold on, let me put. So as I'm looking, it's like, it's down here, but it look like it's up here to me. Like it don't look as far. Like I can go down and I can still see good. Like way better than I could see, of course, with my own vision. But yes, I just love them. I'm in love with them. I just feel like they so cute, extra, just like me. Because I'm extra, I'm goofy, I'm just full of life, you know? So why not? I'm not gonna hide who I am because we don't have a lot of stuff to define us. So my caps and my glasses are where it's at. But I just love them, you guys. I love them, love them, love them so much. I feel like my camera cricket. But yes, like I just love them so much. Like just get into it. Let me get up close for y'all. Yes, they're so cute. I'm gonna be styling. What brings you in today? Oh, you come for a cleaning? I got you. And it's gonna be one of the best cleanings you have had. Because I can see and I can get down and get dirty. But no, for real, you guys. I love it, love it, love it. So then I'm gonna look outside of them to see what else I got. Also come with this pouch full of stuff. So it come with the cleaner to wipe off the glasses. Also with the, oh, did I even tell y'all who I had? I was just so excited to get into them. So I ordered these off of Q Optics. a representative came to our school and just showed us all the different models, different colors. And I love these, of course, because I clearly got them. And they were pricey. They were pricey, but they were worth the price, in my opinion. Some people say they overpriced and ain't worth it, but me just looking at them and seeing how much better I can see, my anxiety for hurting my patient from not seeing is going away. Because everybody know it's spots in the mouth is like a blind side, almost like a car. You can see, but you can't see. These let you see. Like, I see that calculus. Oh, I see that recession. Like, I can see what I'm talking about. So, in my opinion, they was worth it. They were. We did get a discount because it went through our school technically. But, so in my opinion, they were worth the price. And they start off at $1,000. So, once you add on your battery, all that other stuff. So let's continue on. What's in here? So here go my side shields that go on there. I don't know which way they go, but them go there. You get some extra pieces, because if you were like contacts and glasses, you don't have to get your script put into these lenses or these lenses. You can get the removable part, so you can take them in and out. So the days you want to wear your contacts, you could take off the glasses. You don't have to have that extra layer of lenses, because it will be 2 lenses technically, because you can snap them in and out in your face shield. That's a lot. It's hot enough as it is. So these are just some extra inside clips right there. I'm so excited, I don't even want to take them off. So we're going to continue on. So I'm assuming this is the charger. I dropped the side shield. Oh, and this is the other cool part. So this you put above your light for carrying and stuff. So when you want to just, if I know how to put it on, I will show y'all. But yeah, this is the light. So like, say you're doing a sealant, you don't want your light to cure the sealant real quick. So you have to put the safety light over it, basically. And I see it come with an extra clip. I'm not sure what that's for. It's like a name tag badge. That's what they were giving. I don't know what this piece of plastic in here is either. But this is why you read your directions. This is, who knows? I don't know what that is either. That's my side shield. Yep, so that's all that came in that bag. I have no idea what that is. I know what that is. My side shield, and I dropped my other one, so I gotta make sure I pick that up. My extra pieces, my charger. Y'all, when I say I'm so excited about these, I'm so ready to clean teeth. Like, I wish clinic was tomorrow, and it's Thursday, and today is Monday. So we got some time. But yes, I just love my loupes. And then I love that the light setting, you can turn it up and down. So let's see. I don't know if y'all can be able to see that. Ooh, you see that? Ooh. Oh, it's so cool, you guys. Like, cool. But yes, get into it. Let's match my two-ply shirt. But yes, you guys, so I'm just in love with my loupes, as you can see. To me, they were worth the price. Don't let nobody tell you no different, because I could see, honey. I could see. I know when I'm probing, I know that's a faux pocket. I ain't got to see. What is that? Because that's what I be feeling like I be doing. I be like, once you get up into that cold, you can't see for real. You be guesstimating. I don't want to guess. I want to be accurate. But yeah, this is the battery pack. You just put on your hip. Of course. Oh, wait. I ain't see the clamp. I ain't see the clamp that clamped that. Maybe that's what that piece was in there. There might be something missing out this. But anywho, yes, I just in love with my loupes. I give them a 10 out of 10 for appearance, look. I haven't used them yet, so I can't really say usage. But it's a 10 out of 10 just previewing. I just love them. So if you're in dental hygiene school, dentistry, and dental assisting, sure. I feel like dental assistants could use this too. because this stuff that we do too. We pack and cord, we clean crowns. Like, we need to have that good extra vision too. Not just the dentist, not just the hygienist. I feel like dental assistants that work chairside, you could benefit with these too. So, yes, I just love them. But thank you guys for coming back for another video. I really don't have an update on school. It's midterm, so the semester is just passing us by. I am gonna make a video, I think probably spring break, of my couple patients that I have, with their permission first. But like, we took pictures. We didn't really do like videos, but I might post a little snippets of that. But clinic is going good. I haven't scaled yet because I was waiting on my babies. Like, I want to be confident that I could see and do what I need to do. So I was waiting on my babies to come. And so I have been doing OHSs, just completing those, marking those down off my chart. So yes, overall, everything is going all right. It's just midterm, so it's a lot of studying, a lot of schoolwork. So that's why I haven't recorded no video, because it's just been nonstop. And sorry. And looking for patients, like, it also is another headache. So yes, but thank you guys for coming back and watching another video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe down below. Join the family. You see, you put them on your chest when you want to interact one-on-one with your patient and to educate them. I'm telling you, you can style and profile. Don't let them tell you can't. But yes, like, I'm silly, y'all. I'm silly. But yes, thank you guys for watching another video. Coming back for another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I'll do more than support your dreams, baby. Get you and me. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl. Get at it. Get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree. Go, girl. Focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that.